Let's export a high-quality video in Premiere Pro. Just hit File, Export, Media, or use the shortcut Ctrl+M to open the export panel. Name your video, choose where to save it, and for format, go with H.264. It's the most widely supported. For the best quality, check render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. Then under bitrate settings, switch to VBR, 2-pass for cleaner results. Set your target bitrate around 20 to 30 for Full HD, 1080p video, and 60 to 80 megabits per second for 4K UHD video, depending on the resolution you want. Don't go below 5 or 6, or you'll lose quality. Keep audio at 48,000 Hz. And you're good to go. Finally, hit export or send it to Media Encoder. And there you have it. Your video is exported in high resolution, ready to share. Don't forget to subscribe for more Premiere Pro beta updates.